Why do we just accept that companies will do whatever they want with our data? Why do we just accept that companies will do whatever they want with our data? Why do we just accept that companies will do whatever they want with our data? Why do we just accept that companies will do whatever they want with our data?
Now, I want you to know that this has been what.
Why do we just accept that companies will do whatever they want with our data? Why do we just accept that companies will do whatever they want with our data? Why do we just accept that companies will do whatever they want with our data? Why do we just accept that companies will do whatever they want with our data? Why do we just...
Now I need to ask you to either choose to back up your wallet through the Google Drive or manually. You can either decide to back it up through the Google Drive or the manual backup. So, but I am going to back up the wallet manually. Okay. Now, it is always advisable to back it up on the Google Drive, but I prefer backing it up through the manual backup, because if you use the Google Drive now, something might happen in the future. Maybe you can mistakenly go and put your email or insert your email on a website that has a phishing attack, and then the hacker might maybe steal your seed phrase and access your wallet. So it is always advisable to at least back it up manually. So I choose the manual backup. I'll choose the manual backup for the sake of security. Okay, and it will ask you why should I back up your wallet. Just go ahead and click on continue. Now make sure your screen is only visible to you. Okay, just click on I understand. Now it says store your seed phrase offline. You click on I understand. Now own the seed phrase. They said own the seed phrase, own the wallet. Just click on that backup. Alright, you can decide to back it up later on, but for the sake of this video I want to show you how to do it. So I'll just click on that backup now. Alright, I'll click on this backup seed phrase immediately, and then it will require you to put in your thumb. You put in your thumb and then you click on that continue. Now you click on that eye. When you click on that eye that shows, it will take you here. Alright, now let me take you back so that you can understand what I'm talking about. Now if you click on this eye, it will take you to this section. So just click on this eye. Alright, when you click on this eye now, it will show you your seed phrase. Now these are your seed phrase. You just have to write them down. Alright, you have to write them down. Okay, write them down. Now you click on continue. Okay, it will tell you to confirm your seed phrase. What you have to do now is to pick each of those letters. Like now, from number 1, you look at your seed phrase that you've copied down. What is number 1? If your number 1 is spot, you have to tap on spot here. Okay, now they are telling you what is number 1 from your seed phrase that you copied down in your book. What is number 1? Number 1, is it pole, is it spot, or is it jealous? If number 1 is pole, then you click on, now number 1 from my seed phrase was spot, so I'll just tap on spot. Okay, now from number 2, from my seed phrase that I checked in my book, my number 2 was coral, so I'll tap on coral. And then from the seed phrase that I checked in my book again, my number 4 was left. So I'll tap on left and then I click on done. Okay, now you can see that it is successfully backed up. Now congratulations, you now have a backed up wallet. Okay, so that's how you create your wallet. Now if you like this video, kindly ensure you like and subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.